Hey everybody, welcome on a Fiverr affiliate marketing video. This video we're gonna go straight to the point because sign in is very easy. You do not need any website like other affiliate program whereby they must ask you for your website, how many thousand of traffic you convey a month, and so on and so forth, blah 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 blah. But this one is straight away. And one of the downside of Fiverr is once someone sign in with your affiliate program, you get the commission, and that is all. If a person continue using Fiverr buying things, you will not get any commission. That's one of the things. But the only reason why Fiverr affiliate program is just to attract people into Fiverr. That is one of the great things. Like sometimes you can refer someone, like for example, let me you have here, like they will say refer someone. It's like they will say let you refer someone, and you can send this, you can put an email here, you send, or you post it on Facebook, Twitter, you refer someone and get 100 like you have seen here, refer someone and get $100. So when you refer that person purchase something on Fiverr, that person also get that $100. So that is some of the things. So they only want to convey business. So that's some of them. But anyway, you also get some commission, but not all the time. So let's just begin. And signing in is very straightforward. You just click here, join, and you will fill up all this information. Once you fill up this information, it will take you to another site like this. I've already signed in, I've been using it. So like for example, if we copy this link, we paste it, let me just say, we'll see what it is. It will take you to Fiverr. So those are some of the things that you, from here now you can check how to promote. But that is not all. What am I having before? But that's not. Okay, this is what I was, sorry for that. But that's not all. So how to do affiliate marketing is very simple. You go down to market, all marketing tools. Go down to default and deep link. So now you just go to where you want to promote. Like for example, let me say I want to promote this this I will be your cool bass player, pop, rock and metal. So this is very great. So let me, like for example, I want to promote this link. What I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna highlight the link up to metal, but you can highlight all of them. It doesn't matter, all still convey the same message. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy. We can paste it here to see if the link is okay. So let's see. You see, we still have the same link. Now what we do in Fiverr is we come here. They have so many things here. You can take a look and all this one of Fiverr and affiliate and parameter. You have AFP, AFP1. So you can check all this one. But sometimes I don't always use this one. Sorry for that. I don't always use this one. What I do is I go to LP URL link. I copy. And I click. This is a link. So when I copy the link here, you see my referral is already there. When I copy the link, like I copy already, so let us see how we can, let's just check it here. Post it. I see get everything. My affiliate, I see my affiliate link is here, everything is here. So something where you clear everything, affiliate link, or your name is here. Everything affiliate, you look everything. So this is it, and I can share this on Facebook. So post, and I can still do it on Twitter's. and I can still do it on Twitter. And again, I can share, you can share to so many social media link you have. Let me share on our linking. So I will share this one. So basically, guys, that is all about Fiverr affiliate marketing. It's just as simple as that. There's no complication. It's not like other affiliate program whereby they request a lot of things from you. So and from there you can set up your payment history, payment request, payment report. So if you can go here with payment so there is nothing you have, you're really almost there. They say once your account will reach $100, you will be able to request your payment. So I've not yet reached $100. Payment history, nothing to, no result. Ending report, I have nothing. So that's it, guys. That's how you do Fiverr affiliate marketing, as simple as that. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video, and guys, don't worry, stay safe for this pandemic. I call it pandemic, not pandemic, because this illness COVID is something which was planned. So make sure you take care of yourself. Until then, ciao.